on Daddy. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go, Mommy. Here we go.
All right, where are we going?
Let's go to Daddy.
I thought you said you weren't going to walk with your toothbrush. Are you brushing your teeth?
I'm brushing teeth. Daddy, brushing teeth.
Brushing teeth?
In your pen. I'm brushing the toothbrush.
You're done? Let me try. Let me brush your teeth. Did you do both sides? Yoski.
You see, Daddy.
Yoski, Levi.
Now, toothbrush.
Thank you.
Did you brush both sides?
Thank you.